There's the whip, guys. Same old, but man, do I love her. I'm just too happy. I'm too happy with it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's Thursday. I'm heading to the gym, obviously in the M4. It's disgusting outside right now. Take a quick walk out here, see how rainy it is. We're gonna get a little slippery out here. Should be fun. But I just wanted to hop on here and say what's up to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I recently, don't mind how dirty my garage is. I know I've been saying I'm gonna clean it up for a while now. But as you can see right here, I got a jack. So, super pumped about that. And I got some jack stands right here. So, I think, I don't know if these are gonna be good for the M4 or not. If I gotta get new ones, I don't know, we'll see. I definitely gotta get 4 to make sure I have enough for all 4 points on the car. Pretty excited about that because I got a front lip coming. I got a CS front lip and a diffuser coming, hopefully within the next couple weeks. And I'll be able to jack it up, put the stands underneath, and install at least the front lip myself. So that'll be pretty sick. But yeah, it is back day. So I'm gonna hit back and buys in the gym. Gonna go pretty heavy, as always, and try and build some muscle. So if you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. This is the M4, one of my dream cars. Wanted this my whole life, really. And yeah, it's a dream come true. Some people may look at it and go, it's just an M4, but not to me, man. Not to me. It's one of my favorite cars of all time. The F82 chassis is, in my opinion, timeless. I got love for all BMWs. The G80s and G82s are really cool. I love the F90s, M5s. But something about the F82 M4 has always been a dream car of mine, so I'm really still, man, almost a year into ownership, I'm still just like, it doesn't feel real sometimes. Yeah, something about the M4, man. F82, like I said, a dream come true. Getting off work each day, coming down here knowing I have this in the garage. I love it. Just loud, man, just so loud. So, brings a smile to my face every time. But like I said, we're heading to the gym. It's a daily thing for me. I try to hit the gym 5-6 days a week. I don't know how loud this is, so sorry if I'm talking loud right now, but I like to head to the gym 5-6 days a week. Right now I'm on a push-pull leg split. Pretty basic. Today's back day. Had a rest day yesterday. I do push-pull legs, rest, and then repeat. We go heavy on back, throwing a little arms in there as well. And yeah. So that's my plan. But as always, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Like I said, it's raining out, disgusting, but it should be fun. I got new wiper blades. I'll show you guys these. I think they look pretty cool. You can see like a little carbon fiber finish on them. They're Kim blades. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop in the whip, let's head to the gym. Alright guys, like I was saying, chest and back today at the gym. Pre-workout is hitting right now. Like I was saying earlier, I'm on a push-pull leg split. What the hell is honking at me? If you guys are interested in going to the gym, you guys like gym content, it's my biggest hobby, so happy to talk more about that. Good old 24-hour fitness. Thought it was snowing for a second, but I think that's just the flower petals. Yep, good old 24-hour fitness, that's where I go. So, shout out you if you go there as well. I don't know what this person's doing. But like I was saying, push-pull legs is my split, rest, push-pull legs, rest. And that's where we're at. So I hit it on Sunday. That was the start of my week. I did pull day. Sometimes I mix up, you know, do I want to do push day versus pull day, swap them, but that's the cycle, is push, pull, legs, rest. Whether I do that in any given order is kind of up for discretion, you know, when I'm starting my week. Started the week on Sunday as far as working out. So I did Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I rested on Wednesday. And here we are again with another back day, because I started Sunday with back. So I'm gonna do back again, a little bit of chest today, but I'm gonna go heavy on chest tomorrow. So I'm just kind of loosening up the chest, and yeah, so that's that, man. Trying to get big for summer, you know, all about looking good. Gotta look good, feel good, you know. Yeah. Here's the whip, guys. Same old, but man, do I love her. I'm just too happy. I'm too happy with it. So, windshield wipers are quality. Shout out Kimblade. Can't complain, man. But yeah, that's that. I'll probably film a quick little video on the way home, let you guys know how the lift went. But until next time, peace.